Brian,
Steve,
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Brian, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Tim. Brian.
So, welcome.
How are you guys today?
Good, thank you.
How about yourself?
Good.
Pretty good.
Okay. I'm going to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
So, the first one would be, why did you choose accounting industry?
I chose accounting because the variety that it offers. You know, you're always doing something different. You can either choose to specialize in, say, retirement funds, or you can just work in a broad array of accounting. You know, and it gives you a lot of variety. It's different every day. You get to work with a lot of people, a lot of different people, and that again changes every day. And I kind of like that, like being on your toes aspect. And I also like that you can keep advancing. You know, there's really no ceiling on accounting. It always gives you something to work for, to keep doing your best work and keep advancing.
I've always loved math, and I've taken several math and accounting-related courses. And I also like the structure. Like there's a certain work pattern that you have to follow. And see, every business needs an accountant, so it's not like you're never going to be unemployed. Like there's always got to be someone who needs you. Like some positions you graduate from college and you can't find a job for a long time. I know accounting, there's always someone for you.
Okay, so I ask you, what makes you qualified? And do you guys take any follow-up class in college?
I think the biggest thing is, you know, the Indiana University degree. You're not just getting a degree in accounting, but you get a degree in, you get your degree in accounting, but you take classes in everything. So you come out with a huge, like, understanding of business and how it works in general. And even though you're focused in accounting, it makes you more valuable to employers when you understand the marketing aspect and how accounting works into those aspects as well.
Yeah, I've taken applied statistics in trig, calculus, business analysis, also some tax preparation classes in finance. So it makes me qualified to be an accountant.
This one's for you, Tyler. Why do you think accounting is important for business?
I think the main thing is that, you know, and some people might overlook this, but accounting is always at the forefront of the business. You know, I mean, obviously without accountants, you don't have, your business is not well-rounded. And, you know, you're vital to the success. You know, you make a difference every day. You're always doing work that has a huge impact on the company, or any company, or multiple companies, depending on who you work for. And I think that's huge.
Okay, what is some external benefit of studying accounting for you?
For me, I'd like to do my own taxes and help my family and friends do their taxes, and just basically have a good sense of how to handle money and you know, budgets and stuff like that.
So, do you have any questions for us?
Yeah, I have a question that all you guys can answer. I'd like to know what the best part of your job is. You can go first, yeah.
Okay. I think the best part of my job is, it's kind of similar to what you said at the beginning of the interview. It's like the variety of learning. So in the accounting field, there's like so many different things to learn. It's like taxation, there's auditing, consulting, like international tax. This accounting industry will give us a great opportunity to learn the language of business. It's essential on how to do a business and further to become a developer professional at the same time.
Okay, for me, the best part of my job is I feel I'm in the part of quite important part of the job. Because money is everything of the business, then controlling money is quite important. Then as accountants, I control the budget of the debt, tax, everything about the money related to the company. So I feel like I'm controlling the important money of the company. I'm proud of my job, and I feel this is the best part of my job.
For me, I'd say working with numbers towards the bigger picture. Also knowing that I'm needed there in the business, that not everyone can do my job, and also that there's so much room for growth in my job that even if I get tired of what I'm doing now, I can always go to a higher position if I need to. Thank you, guys.
All right, Steven, is there a formal training program you guys have?
Actually, yes, there is. The employees will work with auditors that we have now, and they'll construct financial reports and analyze results. We'll also work a little bit with payroll and analyze the quarter, monthly, and yearly financial reports.
I have a question for you, Leo. My question is, what is the room for growth in the field of accounting?
It's a lot. According to a marketing research that have done by Money Magazine, it showed that the accounting jobs are going to increase 20% within 5 years, but other business field related jobs going to decline. So accounting jobs also play a really big role, especially in this international market today, for globalization. There's a more financial educated professional is needed because many international taxation requirements might take over the globalization. So there's more and more popular accounting firms hiring in the future 5 years. There's a lot of room for growth.
Tomo, why did you choose accounting?
Yes. First, in high school, I was taking an accounting class and mathematics class, and I found I liked numbers. Then, when I was studying in college, I found that, as I said, the number and the controlling money is quite important, the best part of the job, because management is important, marketing is important, but if you have no knowledge how to control the money, your business go bad. That's why I think the accounting is the best part of the job for company.